Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Naomi and today we will cook fried chicken. I like fried chicken a lot. There isn't anything more delicious than a juicy, crispy piece of finger-licking good fried chicken. If you want to learn how to make it, now is the best time to try. First of all, heat the pan to medium heat. You won't need any oil. Add 2 tablespoons cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon fennel seed. Shake the pan. Once the seeds darken and are fragrant, take them out and grind them into powder. Prepare 50 grams red onion, 20 grams ginger, and 15 grams garlic. Cut and mix them. Put them into pestle and mortar and mash into a paste. Prepare a large resealable bag. Put the seasoning you just made into it. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric, 3 tablespoons salt. If you want to make the fried chicken juicier, you need to add 200 ml milk and 80 ml yogurt. Finally, we put the chicken inside. I'm using chicken drumstick. You can go with drumettes or wings instead if you like. Seal the bag. Then mix the chicken and seasoning. Marinate for at least 1 hour, but overnight will give you the most flavor-filled chicken. Next, we will make a crispy coating. Prepare 200 grams purpose flour. Add 10 grams cornstarch, 5 grams baking powder. Cornstarch and a small amount of baking powder will make the chicken crisper. Then add 1 tablespoon black pepper and 1 tablespoon salt. Take out the marinated chicken, shake off the excess seasoning. And now we are going to dip the chicken into the flour and the cornstarch mix. Shake off the excess and give your chicken a gentle pat after coating with the flour mixture to make sure that the flour sticks to the chicken. The chicken is ready and it's time to fry it. The best temperature to fry chicken at is 180 degrees. Corn oil is the oil I recommend using for deep frying. It has a high smoke point, and you can use it more than once. Put the chicken when the oil temperature is right. It is best to use a deep pot for fried chicken. It can ensure that the fried chicken is completely covered with oil and heated evenly. Fry for 30 minutes. Take out the chicken. Let it rest for a few minutes and serve warm. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. And if you like my recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episodes for Naomi's Kitchen. Bye bye!